Super excited to be here, everyone. My name is Cheryl Leone. Let me get to our slides here. Okay. I'm the head of sales for local selling. Excited to talk to all of you today. I run our business development and sales teams. We work with some of you that are in the room, so excited to meet some of the faces that belong to the developer names that we already partner with. But just wanted to start with a show of hands. Who in here is familiar with local selling? Okay, I think I got 4 hands, which is okay. That was a little bit of a trick question, though. We had Buck Bailey here earlier today from our product team, sharing with all of you the services that we're launching for local selling later this year. So bonus points to all of you who don't work with us and you raised your hand. And for everybody else, excited to share a little bit more and give a bit of a refresher. So let's jump in. Today, we're going to cover what is local selling, who we work with, and the benefits of participating. So before jumping into the program, let's take a quick look at some customer behavior. Same-day delivery as a purchasing factor increased 3,300% post-quarantine. 51% of online shoppers look for availability online at nearby stores while they're shopping. And 36% of online shoppers want same-day delivery, and they're telling us that with their wallets. So customers are telling us loud and clear they want their products, they want them fast, and if they're going to go to a store, they want to know that those products are in stock, ready, and waiting for them. Understanding this, we created local selling. Now, our program has 3 distinct portions. One you heard of today, services. But the core programs are local delivery and buy online, pick up in store. Let's go deeper on each of those. We're going to kick it off with local delivery. So with local delivery, your selling partners are able to offer faster delivery options for customers, and they're also able to offer an ability for sellers to offer products that aren't typically the perfect fit for national delivery. Think heavy, bulky items, things that are fragile, things that are odd shapes. To get these products to customers, we have 2 methods of delivery. One is shipping orders. So sellers can use their typical third-party carriers, think UPS, FedEx, USPS, to get these products to customers and as fast as same-day delivery. Sellers also have the ability to define their delivery regions. So typically when you think of MFN selling on Amazon, you think, I need to ship to Texas and Florida and New York and Seattle and everything in between. But with local selling, sellers have an opportunity to customize their delivery radius. We can get as granular as a zip code level. This gives us an ability when sellers do self-delivery, which is our other delivery method, to match and mirror their delivery network that they have in place today, meaning they get to leverage their own delivery teams, their own expert technicians, and they can also provide services upon delivering that item to customers. So think room of choice delivery for that heavy, bulky sofa. Maybe it's, television wall mounting or basic assembly of a bed frame, which we all know when that shows up is really a pain in the butt. So we're giving the ability for your sellers to offer that to customers in their local area. So what does this look like for customers? If you look up at the screen, you can see it looks very similar to a typical Amazon offer. But as you can see in the orange boxes, customers are going to see a faster promise time for delivery, as I mentioned, as fast as same day, and the local seller that it's being shipped from. And as you can see in the image, PC Richards has customized their delivery window to fit the products they offer and the delivery speed that works best for their business. So we work one-on-one with each of our sellers to determine what's the best match, whether it be speed, product type, fulfillment type, to ensure that they're set up for success. Now shifting to buy online, pick up in store, or BOPIS as we call it. We use that word a lot around here. BOPIS enables sellers to list items in Amazon's online store and offer customers the ability to quickly and easily pick up those items, whether it be from a local brick and mortar storefront or from a customer-friendly warehouse. And I think that's a really important designation because we've presented at different summits in the past, and when people hear buy online, pick up in store, they traditionally think, oh, well, I don't have a store, this doesn't apply to me. A lot of the sellers we work with have customer-friendly warehouses. So a safe space for customers to come in, park, see clear signage. You know, it doesn't have to be sort of that traditional thinking around it being a store. Customers with BOPIS now have access to items for speedy pickup, and they can offer new selection that couldn't previously be shipped. Customers can confirm an item's availability and pick it up in as fast as 2 hours. BOPIS will also soon allow for the opportunity for sellers to offer services related to buy online, pick up in store. Perfect example being tires. So customers will soon be able to purchase tires on Amazon, go to that seller, and have the seller install the tires at the time of pickup. We're super excited for that. BOPIS also gives sellers the opportunity to capture additional sales in their local area by reaching new online shoppers. They have the opportunity then to take those new online shoppers from Amazon and convert them to long-term in-store customers. With BOPIS, sellers are eliminating shipping costs of damages, and they're also reducing returns. They can even capture the additional sales, as we mentioned, by offering the services. Other services outside of tire installation, think of assembly, setup, you purchase a bike, you don't want to go home and put all the pieces together. It can be ready and waiting for you when you pick up that item at the store. Most importantly, BOPIS allows sellers to offer customers just the best possible purchasing experience for the items that they offer. That isn't always easy to do with online shopping. So we're very excited about that. Oh, I'm sorry if I laser pointed someone. This is like the danger button. It literally says danger on here, so I apologize for that. Now looking at the customer experience, you can see on the screen here, customers are going to see BOPIS in search results. On the product detail pages that show the pickup tab, the same day promise, and the seller name along with the distance from the customer. And again at checkout, where we confirm the item is to be picked up and the exact address that the customer needs to go to in order to retrieve their item. By end of year, customers will be able to add on the services we mentioned, in addition to appointment scheduling during checkout. Now, to enable these programs, local selling products leverage a number of common selling partner APIs, which I'm sure all of you know in this room, listed in orange. We are also creating 2 distinct APIs. The Seller-Defined Fulfillment Services API, which try to say that 5 times fast, very hard, and the Service API. These will both enable our add-on service capabilities. Who we work with. So some of you in this room already, and more to come. But our team works directly with US sellers and developers that offer commerce solutions. For the developers we work with, we typically work with those that manage both the orders and the delivery. On the seller side, our programs are a really great fit for sellers who offer heavy items, bulky items, fragile items, items that need a service at either pickup or at delivery. And we also support these programs in the EU. So let us know if you're interested in the EU or in India. We can introduce you to our colleagues there. So we already work with a number of top OmniChannel developers, more coming soon, of course. We appreciate being able to offer sellers a variety of options, regardless of their size, regardless of their needs. And you can see a few that we work with already today here on the slides. So why should you participate? Instead of listing out all of the reasons, which I'll list out a couple, more products, faster to customer, less damages, less returns, better customer experience, custom delivery area, I wanted to just share with you a quote from Mark Emery from Cyber Savings. The BOPIS program has enabled us to sell and market products we previously didn't list on Amazon. We can now offer them to our local customers, which has helped our business grow year over year. Local selling lets developer partners, all of you here, offer an additional sales and fulfillment channel to your customers. It helps you grow your sellers' businesses and in turn your own. And if you create a great seller-friendly experience, we would love to include you as a local selling preferred partner with a listing in the Selling Partner App Store with a BOPIS designation, in addition to logo placement on the local selling webpage and inclusion on all of our seller-facing collateral. So let's get started. If any of you have questions or you're ready to get involved, you can reach out to us at our alias, localsellingpartnerships@amazon.com, or feel free to scan the QR code. That'll create a pre-populated email that will go directly to our team. We'll also be available after this session and at the networking event later this evening. So thank you so much for your time, and we look forward to working with all of you.